Ford Transit Custom 22 plate for a reversing camera and a dash cam. This utilising Sync 2.5 system. Reversing camera lens put in there. Power source is coming from reverse power. And there it is, a green wire with a brown trace for anyone who wants to try. Panel off, cable through, routed into there with the wireless module fitted. Dash cam neatly fitted up there. 4K with parking surveillance, GPS and ADAS. To fit the power cable for the Sync 2.5, this 3 screws, this comes off, then there's 2 screws behind there. This whole unit comes out. To make it easier, the speedo surround dash is able to come around. Gives you extra leverage to pop that out. These come out with it, the whole thing. Then once that's done, there's 4 screws holding the grill behind, and you get access to the plug and you can swap the plug around. Once that's done, you wire in the wireless receiver this side, wire it into the fuse box in there. Take the power source from the green with a brown trace cable for the reverse there. There it is, there's your reverse with parking monitor as well working. You will need to code it to activate the parking rear camera with a split screen. It gives you 2 options. There we are. Thank you for watching.